Hi kids, how are you? Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn alphabets and numbers A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's learn some colors. These are all our color pencils. Let's learn the names. Orange color, yellow color, brown color, red color, blue color, violet color, black color, pink color, green color, pink color, green color, and sky blue color. So let's draw alphabets and numbers. Orange, red color. A. A for apple. A for apple. Sky blue color. B. B for bat. B for bat. Orange color. C. C for cat. C for cat. Pink color. 1. O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. Brown color. 2. TWO 2. Light pink color. 3. THREE 3. Once again learning alphabets and numbers. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. O-N-E 1. TWO 2. THREE 3. Okay. Bye kids. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye kids.